Hi there, thanks for joining us. In this Repricer.com video, we're going to show you a little bit about how you can explore the results of your products in Repricer. In another video, we've already looked at how you can explore your results on a high level. Well, on this one, we're going to take a look at how you can do it on a product level. The first thing we need to do is to pull up a product that we can explore. To do this, select Products and then Amazon on the left-hand side. From here, you can search or filter to bring up your desired products. The first place that you can see the results is literally here on the product table. You can choose this option to add and remove columns, some of which give you specific feedback on your repricing, including your profitability. You should have a look and see what's available and tailor the look to your needs. But let's pull up some extra information. Simply click on a product to pull up the product sidebar. The product sidebar will give you some useful information based on your product status right now. This includes generic information sent from Amazon which doesn't change, things like SKU, ASIN, manufacturer, dimensions and brand. On top of this, you'll find details that you enter, such as your min and max, repricing rule and cost prices. Finally, you'll also find details that change, such as when the product last sold, quantity, and some other useful details. But these are just a snapshot of your product now. What we want to look at is your results, and also your history. Let's start by taking a look at your repricing history. Click Repricing Events on the top. What this does is it brings up your Repricing Events page, but filtered to this one product. The Repricing Events page gives you a chronological list of every single reprice. It gives you some useful information which you can use to better understand the reprice, as well as the ability to hover over the eye icon and pull up an explanation of why your product repriced that way. This is very helpful for understanding recent reprices and getting a bit of a feel for how often we're actually repricing your product for you. The different repricing events, such as Buy Box Chaser, Buy Box Optimizer, Sleep Mode, and Standard Amazon are all listed so you can see the type of reprice as well. Moving back to our product screen, we're going to take a look at our product insights. Click on the Product Insights button now. So, if the product sidebar is a snapshot and the repricing events is the history of your reprices, think of Product Insight as an overview of how you're performing. You'll see some of the same snapshot details from your sidebar, but tons more information for you to explore. First, we have our product timeline. This is a breakdown of any changes to your rules, min, max, and also your buy box status. This is very helpful for understanding when you gain and lose the buy box and any recent changes you've made to the product. Next, we have our sales trend. It does exactly what you'd imagine. It gives you a bird's eye view of recent sales on this product, the total orders, and also the sales value. Moving on to repricing movement, it gives you a breakdown of your recent reprices and how your product has priced up and down. Click to expand to bring up a chart which breaks down your price, the buy box price, and the lowest price, and how they all compare. And last but far from least, we have our buy box ownership breakdown. It shows you who's had the buy box recently, including what percentage of the buy box is owned by you and by your competitors. This is very helpful for understanding your buy box performance, and I would strongly recommend keeping an eye on it for your main products. And this is just a quick overview at some of the product level insights you can investigate. There are a number of other high level insights you can look at to see how your products are behaving on a macro level. We have a number of other videos on the channel that explore these, so I'd encourage you to have a wee look. If you haven't started your trial with Repricer.com yet, we offer one 14 days, no credit card required. Or why don't you get in touch with one of our helpful team, we'll be happy to arrange a demo. Thanks for joining us today and have a great day.